Space isn't empty. It's full of things we barely understand. Across the universe, there are phenomena so powerful, so strange, and sometimes so difficult to explain that they sound like something from science fiction. Today, we're looking at 7 of the most fascinating space phenomena ever discovered, and number 7 might be the strangest of them all. Our first phenomenon lasts only a few milliseconds, but can release an enormous amount of energy. They're called fast radio bursts, or FRBs. They're incredibly powerful flashes of radio waves that come from deep space. The strange part? Some of them repeat. Scientists have identified repeating FRBs, meaning whatever is producing them can somehow generate these bursts more than once. But radio waves aren't the only strange signals coming from space. Imagine a planet with no star. Rogue planets are worlds that don't orbit a star. Instead, they travel through space on their own. Some may have been thrown out of their original planetary systems by gravitational interactions, and there could be billions of these lonely worlds wandering through our galaxy. But what if something in space could move almost as fast as light? Pulsars. When a massive star dies, its core can collapse into something incredibly dense called a neutron star. Some neutron stars spin hundreds of times every second and shoot beams of radiation from their magnetic poles. When those beams point toward Earth, we detect them as pulses. Some pulsars are so precise that scientists can use their signals almost like cosmic clocks. But sometimes stars don't just collapse. A star can spend millions of years fighting a battle between gravity and the energy inside it. But when that balance finally fails, some massive stars explode in a supernova. For a brief period, a supernova can shine incredibly brightly, releasing enormous amounts of energy. And the explosion can scatter heavy elements into space, materials that can eventually become part of new stars, planets, and even worlds like ours. But some explosions are far more powerful. Much more powerful. Gamma-ray bursts are among the most energetic explosions we've ever observed. They can release an incredible amount of energy in just seconds. They're associated with extreme cosmic events, including the collapse of massive stars and the merger of neutron stars. And if one occurred close enough to Earth and was pointed directly at us, it could have serious consequences for our planet's atmosphere. But the next phenomenon doesn't explode. It pulls. Black holes are famous for trapping matter with their gravity, but some black holes can also launch enormous jets of particles from the regions around them. These jets can stretch across distances larger than entire galaxies, and somehow material falling toward the black hole can help produce these enormous structures. But there is something even stranger than a black hole. Something we can't even see. Dark matter may be one of the biggest mysteries in the universe. We can't see it directly, and it doesn't appear to interact with light the way ordinary matter does. So how do we know it's there? Gravity, the motions of galaxies, and the way light bends through space suggest there's far more mass in the universe than the matter we can directly observe. Whatever dark matter is, scientists estimate it makes up a much larger portion of the universe's matter than ordinary matter. 7 phenomena, and we've only scratched the surface. The universe is filled with things that challenge what we know, and there are still discoveries waiting for us that could completely change our understanding of space. Which phenomenon would you want to see up close? Comment down below. Thanks for watching.